Good day everyone, I am Samantha Cabanhen, and for today's video, we will talk about ICT. Are you guys familiar with ICT terms? If not, ito na ang chance nyo para maging familiar. So, keep watching! But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Samantha Cabanhen from Bataan Peninsula State University College of Education and taking Social Studies as a major. So let's start, but first let us know what is ICT means. ICT means Information and Communication Technology, and it refers to the combination of manufacturing and services industries that capture, transmit, and display data and information electronically. Our quotes today is, "Technology is best when it brings people together." Our first ICT term is Internet. Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. By utilizing the Internet, people are able to progress in almost all spheres of life as it is a worldwide organization of computer network. It can link people from all over and create communities. It's a great way of providing and accessing information and is available almost all the world. Indicated in the presentation here, ang Internet ay ginagamit for electronic mail, researches, downloading files, discussion groups, interactive games, education and self-improvement, and even in friendship and dating. Number 2, ICT terms is offline. Offline is the condition of being capable of but currently not connected to a network of computers or other devices. The term is frequently used to describe someone who has the ability to be connected to the Internet but who is not currently connected to it. Working offline can sometimes allow your software to run more efficiently and faster, as you are not relying on a stable network connection. Your info relies on the power of your device to keep on. If your printer is turned off, it is considered offline and cannot print anything. The third ICT term is online. Online refers to a user, computer, or another devices connecting to a network, the Internet, or another computer that always communication with others. Is online the same as the Internet? The answer is no. Many improperly think being online is the same as an internet connection. However, being online refers to any successful connection between one or more people. In other words, you are also online when connecting to a local network, establishing a direct connection, or dialing up and connecting to another computer. iOS is the hardware-specific operating system of the company whose first version was released in 2007. The operating system is used for iPhones, iPads, and iWatches with names iOS, iPadOS, and watchOS respectively. Since smartphones are the most commonly used handheld devices after Android, iOS is the second most used mobile operating system. Most iOS users come from developed countries and those with economic affluence. With more than 3 million apps in the Apple Store, iOS is a powerful entity. The advantages of iOS are: number 1, it is easy to use, good use of Google Maps lacking in other OS, document-friendly as Office 365 apps allows editing and viewing of docs, multitasking like listening to music and typing docs possible, efficient battery use with less heat generation, and last, impeccable security makes phone free of malicious codes and viruses. Now let's talk about Android. Android is an open-source operating system developed by Google and used by a range of devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android devices usually come with a range of built-in programs called applications or apps, such as a web browser, email client, calendar, and maps. The next ICT term is a laptop computer. A laptop computer, sometimes called a notebook computer by manufacturers, is a battery or AC-powered personal computer, generally smaller than a briefcase, that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary spaces such as on airplanes, in libraries, temporary offices, and at meetings. A podcast is a digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to a computer or mobile device, typically available as a series, new installments of which can be received by subscribers automatically. A podcast is essentially a talk radio series on demand. This means that listeners don't need to turn off and tune in live, but can listen anytime and pretty much anywhere they like. Podcasts tend to be focused on a theme or topic. Next of our ICT term is touchscreen. Touchscreen is an electronic display screen that is also an input device. A user interacts with a computer, tablet, smartphone, or touch-controlled appliance by using hand gestures and fingertip movements to tap pictures, moving elements, or type words on the screen. The screens are pressure sensitive and can be used or manipulated using fingers or stylus. Touch screens are a helpful alternative to using a keyboard or mouse while navigating a graphical user interface. Some devices also use touch screens with a grid of infrared beams that sends a finger, navigating the need for touch-sensitive input. A tablet, on the other hand, is a wireless, portable personal computer with a touchscreen interface. The tablet form factor is typically smaller than a notebook computer but larger than a smartphone. The idea of tablet computing is generally credited to Alan Kay of Xerox, who sketched out the idea in 1971. Our 10th and last ICT term is USB flash disk. Also known as a USB stick, USB thumb drive, or pen drive, it is a plug-and-play portable storage device that uses flash memory and is lightweight enough to attach to a keychain. A USB flash drive can be used in the place of a compact disk. Let's talk about how USB disks can use. Once you access the USB disk on your Windows computer, it can be used like any other folder. Firstly, you can save documents straight to the USB disk. You can copy files to and from the USB disk. Please note that when you're copying files, the files will be duplicated. You can also remove a file from your USB by dragging the file to the trash can. A dialog box should appear. Click Yes to confirm that you want to permanently delete this file and free up storage on the USB drive. If the dialog box doesn't appear, automatically right-click on the recycle bin, then Properties, and check the box display Delete Confirmation dialog. We are living in the 21st century, a time of freedom and technological advancement. The 21st century generation is the first to have direct access to a brand new digital world. Education, of course, is not an exemption. From teacher-centered to student-centered learning approaches, teaching and learning have changed. ICT is crucial for teaching today because of this. Learning new information and communication technology or ICT skills is more convenient and easier as they seek information, learn it, make something, collaborate with others, and communicate with it. Students will then be more accountable for their learning in this setting. That's all for today. I hope may natutunan kayo sa akin. Muli ako si Samantha Cabanhen. So, keep watching and subscribe!